This section we're going to be talking about metric length. So in 1 through 4, choose the most appropriate unit of measure. Write millimeters, centimeters, decameters, or decimeters, meters, or kilometers. Okay, a millimeter, it takes 1,000 millimeters to make a meter. Centimeters, it takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. Decimeters takes 10 decimeters to make 1 meter. A meter is just a little bit longer than a yard, and a kilometer is 1,000 meters. So if we're doing the height of a house, we're going to do the height of a house in meters. Okay, if you're doing the length of a cat, it would be centimeters. The width of a sunflower seed is going to be millimeters. And the distance an airplane travels, I put millimeters right there. The distance an airplane travels is going to be kilometers. That's how you abbreviate each, just like up here. Okay, question number 5. Which is a better unit to measure the width of a textbook, centimeters or meters? And it would be centimeters, because the width of a textbook, that'd be a really big textbook if it's a meter thick. And that'd be any measurement of the book as a meter would be a very big book. Okay, question number 6. Joni wants to measure the width of a narrow ribbon she is using to tie around a pine cone. Which metric unit should she use, and explain? Okay, and she would use millimeters. Okay, because the width of a ribbon, it's not the length of a ribbon, the width of it would be very narrow. It'd probably be a narrow one would probably be less than a centimeter. So, and all the other millimeters is the smallest metric unit of measure that we use in 4th grade. Okay. Okay, independent practice. In 7 through 9, choose the most appropriate unit to measure. Write millimeters. Write which one is correct. Okay. The length of a shoe. Okay, if we was doing the length of a shoe, you'd probably do that in centimeters. You could possibly do it in millimeters also. Okay. You need to come up on your own the height of a tree and the width of a strand of yarn. Okay. On question 10 and 11, estimate the length of each item. Okay, is the length of this feather shown at actual size closer to 2 centimeters or 2 decimeters? Okay, and 2 centimeters is, the 1 centimeter is the width of your pinky fingernail, so it's definitely longer than that. So we're going to go with the 2 decimeters. Okay, and 11. You can do this one on your own. Is the length of a pine cone shown in actual size closer to 5 decimeters or 5 centimeters? So look at the next page. Okay, and problem 12. Okay. The 4th grade teachers are planning a pizza party. Each pizza has 8 slices. The teacher wants enough pizza so that each student can have 2 slices. If there are 22 students in each of the 3 classes, how many pizzas must she order? Must be ordered. Okay, what we're trying to find out is how many pizzas. And we're using strip diagrams to do this, and strip diagrams are very useful to help us do our calculations like this. So right here it shows all the 4th grade students. There's 3 classes of 4th grade students, and there's 22 students in each class. So that's 22 times 3. And we know that's 66. So there's 66 students. Okay. Now we want each of the students to have 2 pieces of pizza. Each of the students to have 2 pieces of pizza. If there's 66 students, each of them get 2 pieces of pizza. That's 66 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12 again. Plus 1 is 13. That's 132 slices of pizza. 132 slices of pizza. So all the slices of pizza right here would be 132 slices. Okay, so if we're trying to figure out, we need 132 slices of pizza. Each pizza has 8 slices right there. That's going to be a division problem. We're going to need less than 132 pizzas. So we got pizzas and slices, or pizzas and slices. So that's a division problem. So we're going to go and work that out. We'll create me some blank spot right here. Okay, so that's 132 divided by 8. Okay, first off, I know 8 will not go into 1, but 8 does go into 13 once. 8 times 1 is 8. Then I subtract. 13 from 8 is 5. Okay, 5 is less than 8, so I'm good. Next I bring down my 2. Okay, 8 goes into 52. Okay, let's think about that for a minute. 8 times 8 is 64, so it's not going to go 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. So let's try 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So we go ahead and subtract now. You cannot take 8 from 2, so you got to regroup. 8 from 12 is 4. So we don't have anything else to bring down. And 4 is less than 8, so 4 is our remainder. So in order to have enough pizzas for each student, you have 16 whole pieces, and then you got 4 more slices right there. So we'd have to get another pizza. That would we'd end up needing 17 pizzas. Go and box in my answer right there. Okay, question 13. Okay. Leonardo's road map shows that the distance between Dallas and Houston is 385 of some metric units. However, the map has been torn, so Leonardo cannot read what the unit is. What is a unit for this distance? Question number 14. In the year 2000, the world's largest Chinese dancing dragon was part of a celebration at the Great Wall of China. It took 3,200 people working inside the dragon to move it. Okay, which is the best estimate of the length of the dragon? Okay, and you have 3 answer choices right there. You need to pick the correct one. Question 15. Okay, it shows a bead right there. It's 2 centimeters long. So how many beads are needed to make a string that is 5 decimeters long? 5 decimeters long. Okay, and 16. Samuel has 3 objects of different lengths. One is 1 centimeter. Another is, I'm sorry. Let me start over. Samuel has 3 objects of different lengths. One is 1 meter. Another is 1 centimeter. The third is 1 decimeter. Order the objects from longest to shortest.